DCI Central is seeking pre-charge detention against the said respondents for a period of 14 days. The reason for seeking the custody of the pre-charge detention days, you know, that the said IO, namely Corporal Ben Muyei, attached to DCI Central, is investigating various offences as against the said respondents. The said respondents were arrested yesterday along Kenyatta Avenue, that is Nairobi CBD, by officers who were conducting their normal patrols. The officers then requested the said respondents to get out of the said motor vehicle for purposes of conducting a search. After conducting the search, the officers recovered various items, including mobile phones, around seven mobile phones, different brands, a revolver toy gun, an AK-47 CCP knife, and 6 rubber bullets. The said items were recovered and recorded in an inventory. The respondents were thereafter arrested and escorted to Central Police Station to facilitate investigations of the said various offences. The IO is therefore requesting for a period of 15 days to enable them analyze the recovered funds that were recovered from the respondents, which the IO believes to be used in commission of other crimes.
The issues raised as to do with the investigations, the items confiscated, and the identity of the suspects before the court are matters that shall be properly explored and or ventilated during trial, should this matter go to a full trial, since they are considered to be triable issues. And as regards the period for the detention, I agree with the prosecutor that the long weekend shall be sufficient to enable the IO to conclude his investigations, especially on the searches of the suspects' residences. But the other bits of investigations to do with ballistic and forensic examinations can be done later as the matter proceeds, because these are issues that require time. And the fact that the police are already in possession of the items to be examined, they are investigations that can be conducted later. In that regard, I do hereby order as follows: that the application dated 5th of June 2024 be and is hereby allowed as prayed, save for the detention period, which the court has reduced to 5 days, and the 5 days includes the long weekend.